everybody, it's Keith with Bob CNC. Welcome to Shop Talk. And as always, I have to stand next to Bob.
I have to stand next to Keith, but I'm grateful for it because we actually like each other.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Anyway, we are always in the process, it seems to me, of developing a new product. I mean, we've been in this building how long? A little over a year, almost 2 years?
I think it's closer to 3, but
3?
time
Okay.
flies when you're having
That
fun.
building?
2.
2. Okay. And during that time, how many products have we introduced?
I don't know. You're the marketing guy.
No, well, we started with the E3, then we went to, and then we made it bigger, E4, and then
You
we
did the whole evolution series thing.
recreated those totally from scratch. You got the E-Evolution 3, the Evolution 4,
Then the KL was in
and
there
then the
somewhere.
KL, which
Then
is
the
a
Revolution.
monster, and now we've got the standalone Revolution,
And
which
there
is the only rotary axis that's a standalone machine on the market,
Right.
which is really kind of
Yeah.
cool.
And we're always working. I mean, we're always working on something, right? I mean,
Right.
in business, you kind of have to, or somebody else is going to outrun you. Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
And we are right now in the process of working on a new product
Yeah.
that you've already done all the initial design stuff. We can't give you a lot of specifics about it,
Right.
but we want to tell you kind of, we've already started mocking some stuff up, doing some prototypes.
Yeah, so we're in the testing stage
phase,
now.
yeah.
So if you're building something for yourself, this is probably something that you don't do. Is you put it together and then you run it for a while, and if you see something that you don't like, you can modify that and change that. So when you're building something for production, it's kind of a different thing because you got to get it right because you're going to be putting some of them out there to market.
Right.
So what we do is we'll build one the best that we know how with the knowledge that we have, and then we'll run it through a test program. And we like accelerated testing around here, and the best way that I can describe it is that sometimes when your machine's running, it's not doing much work, and there's other times where it's really dogging down and it's really,
Yeah, I know. You were thinking
I
about
was,
me, weren't you?
yeah.
You looked at
well, marketing.
Yeah, go ahead.
But anyway, so we wanted to do a lot of work, and we don't want to waste all the time where it's not doing work. So what we do is we really take out all of the time except for the time that it's highly loaded. So we have, I'm going to call it a bungee test that John came up with. He developed, and it really just
stresses the heck.
we try to put as much force on it until the stepper motor starts skipping and grinding, right, and then we back it off a little bit. So he can run this test all day long, and we don't have to cut anything or anything. It's just
And the
putting
reason
wear
we're
and tear on.
doing this is we're trying to look at weak points in design.
Yeah.
We're looking for bearings to fail. We're looking for rail problems.
Right.
We're looking for what
Are
else?
the belts going to hold up?
Yeah.
Are the stepper motors going to hold up? There's one thing that I got to share that I learned. I'd always heard, and I always believed, I've even said, stepper motors work the hardest when they're not doing anything because they're holding torque.
That's what I've been trying to tell you.
Yeah. Yeah, stepper
I hold a lot of torque.
Yeah,
man.
you do.
Yeah.
Well, it's there. Okay. But anyway, we were running this highly accelerated test, right? So we're trying to put as much force on these belts as we can. And you guys know, well, maybe you don't. Keith would know, even though he's marketing.
Yeah.
Force equals mass times acceleration.
Yes.
So we're trying
Equals
to
MC squared too.
So we're trying to accelerate and decelerate really fast to see what can happen. Well, about halfway into this test, John noticed that the stepper motors were really, really hot. Well, this makes sense, right? This is actually a worse condition on stepper motors than even holding torque, just holding still, because we're actually reversing the current, reversing the current, reversing the current. So all that back EMF has got to be flooded through and back, and it's really heating up. So for our test program, and we get excited about this, we really are trying not to tear up, but to see the limitations of the machine so that we can back it off and say this is what our machine can do comfortably and it's going to last you a long time. So yeah, it's a fun time. And what's really cool is John and Jonathan are developing these tests, and they're putting them together and operating them, and I just get to sit back and watch.
Yeah.
Kind of like
My life is pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah. It's like, it's
Welcome
pretty cool.
to the good life.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hey guys, till next time, if you got any questions, you can get.
I love marketing.
Margaret. Do you wear anything other? Boy, I don't either. But
Yeah.
anyway, if you got any questions, get a hold of us at the help desk. We'd be glad to answer them or at least give it a shot.
Yeah,
We'll
we'll
see you
try.
next time.
I got